Hi, today we're talking jobs and digital transformation with Dr. Bosun Tijani, Minister of Communications, Innovation, and Digital Economy in Nigeria. Welcome, Dr. Bosun.
Thank you so much. Good to be here.
So my first question for you is, where is Nigeria on its journey to digital transformation, and how do you see that transformation's impact on creating jobs?
I think Nigeria is blessed, to be honest, in terms of where we are on the journey. Of course, there's still so much to cover, but the way I like to frame it is you break it down into three different pieces. So you have the foundational investments and infrastructure that you require for any society to take advantage of digitalization. So you're talking about things like ubiquitous connectivity, right? Which is meaningful and affordable and is available to everyone. On that journey, I think we're almost 40% into it. But the good thing is that working with the bank, we're going to close that gap in the next 3 to 5 years. Then the second layer beyond infrastructure, of course, under infrastructure, you can talk about things like access to subsea cables, access to data center. Subsea cables, we have the highest number in West African region. We have 8 subsea cables. Nigeria is already the data hub for the West African region. So many of the OTTs and large technology companies will route their data through Nigeria. We're seeing increased in investment in data center. There should be more, but that is also happening. So that's the first layer. The second layer is what you call the stack that helps society to be able to take advantage of this thing. So you want a payment stack, which will allow for interoperability. Nigeria has the best interbank settlement system in Africa, not just in West Africa region. You want a digital ID system, which the bank actually funded. We have about 130 million of our adults already digitally identified, which is a strong stack, technology stack to help us. The third one, which is missing, is a data exchange system. Then on top of this too is where you get people building applications to aid digital transformation. Nigeria is already home to about 7 unicorns in Africa, which are businesses worth over $1 billion. So we're seeing increased application in digital solutions to deliver services. Government is already embracing it, but there's still solutions within government that exist in silos. And if you carefully look at the gaps that I've identified, ubiquitous connectivity, plug in that gap, more data center, data exchange system. Once we're able to plug that, I think we're seeing a country of about 230 million people that is about to transform its entire society with digitalization.
And in terms of other sectors, how do you see the impact of this digital transformation on other sectors in the Nigerian economy and their ability to also create jobs?
It's tremendous. You see, Nigeria, I was talking earlier about close to 7 unicorns in the financial services space. This is an area where Nigeria has been extremely successful. Like when you speak to people, people will tell you that some of the banks there are more digital than US banks because we've invested in technology in that sector. If we plug the gap that exists, we will see a situation where technology, particularly digital technologies, can help enhance how we deliver health services. Because if our hospitals are connected, it aids the delivery of services better. Government can be a lot more informed. Details of what is happening across the country can be a lot more aggregated. The same for education. Technology can help us to enhance learning by helping teachers gain access, introducing the use of smart technologies into school. You can't do that if you don't have the ubiquitous connectivity. Same for agriculture, for instance. We're already saying that countries with ubiquitous connectivity infrastructure, they're already applying technology in smart agriculture to enhance their outcomes. For a country like Nigeria that is adding 5 million new people every year, our population is projected to be 500 million in about 20 years' time. We do not have a choice but to see how smart agriculture will help us to meet our food demand, thereby ensuring that we're not dependent on other countries for food. This is why connectivity is important. Our president has set the agenda to achieve a $1 trillion economy. That's not going to be possible without digital technologies.
Well, thank you, Minister Tijani. This has been a very enlightening conversation.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us.
Thank you.